Elementary way back 2012. Patrolman Mark Martin Bendejo Raagas.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you, ma'am, for the warm welcome. You may now take your seat, sir. To the supporting elected principal of Caballo Elementary School, Mr. Romel M. Abeto, representative from school division, ma'am, our dedicated teachers, and also the presence of our Honorable Ronilo V. Macauba, proud parents, and most especially the graduate of class 2026. Good morning and good afternoon and welcome to the momentous 67 graduation ceremony. Before I proceed, I would like to sincerely thank the school administration and the organizing committee for giving me the opportunity to speak before this young generation. It is truly an honor to be here in my alma mater. Almost 20 years ago, ako Itaday Opesto. Namamatian namong guest speaker, waila sa butang panahon. Yan na, ako na itaadi hayo atubangan. Nagahatag ininsahe hayo in your journey. Unta, at mga igyayakan will not only be heard, but will stay in your hearts. As I look at each of you, I see more than graduates. I see dreamers, future leaders. I see young individuals filled with hope, courage, and endless possibilities. Diri na sasabon ni panahon. Usa nga daayo, attorney na, teacher na, engineer na, pulis na. Pero ayaw niyo kalimti din kamo nagtikang. I am proud to say na usa ako ang naging estudyante ni na eskwelahan na naghatag himpundasyon na hakunhain manabayana. Especially mga former teacher, Ma'am Dimain and Sir Amistoso, nastay na batang-bata lagi hapon. I am reminded of a powerful quote by Lao Tzu. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Dear graduates, your 1,000 miles may look like the long road of high school to college. The challenges you have to face or the dreams you carry in your hearts. Dreams of becoming a police officer like me, a teacher, a doctor, or anything you aspire to be. And yes, sometimes those dreams may feel far away, almost impossible. But let me remind you of this. You don't need to conquer everything today. You don't need to have everything figured out. All you need is the courage to take the next step. 6 years ago, you bravely stepped into your first classroom, unsure, curious, and full of wonder. Today, you step onto this stage, stronger and wiser, and ready to face a bigger world. Every lesson learned, every challenge overcome, every small victory you achieved, those were your steps, and those steps brought you here. So as you leave this hall, do not be afraid how far you still have to go. Instead, be proud of how far you've come. Sabi pa nga, malayo pa, pero malayo na. Malayo na kayo sa dating kayo. You are all ready for the next step of your life. Always remember, life is not a race. There's no need to rush. Trust your journey. Trust your timing because everything will fall into place. When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Ayaw kalimti hatanan naging bubuhat naton. Always put God at the center. Always remember, your path is different from others. Your timeline is your own. Just because someone reaches their dreams earlier does not mean you are behind. It simply means your moment is still being prepared. Parehas sa akon, damon umagi na challenges sa kinabuhi. First year college ako, ang ginkuha ni Lord na Papa. Wala yung magdahom na makakagraduate ako kay ang na doon na pa eskwela amon. Pero Lord, naghimoy paagi ng mga graduate ako. Pinaagi ng ante na nagpa-eskwela ako. Ang yakan na doon ng Papa, before yung mawara, nasa nila ito yan na. Suportahan ko na akong younger sister na mga tapos pag-eskwela. Kaya siya mo ko nung bagabaltok. Bagawari, yung pagtapo nagpapakon na makakagraduar ako. Graduating ako han college when my first baby was born. Siyempre makuri, pero wala akong nag-stop pag-eskwela. Ginhimo ko ito na inspirasyon na dapat mas maniguro akong mag-graduate ng makatrabaho. Nag-working student ako, tapos nasunod ako pagkakakulog. Never ko inisip na umundang tungod lang na makuri. Nak-mindset adto, kung makapoy, pahuway, pero padayon. Thankful ako na partner kay natuod diyan na kaya ko. Ginsuportahan niya na gusto. May mga kadungan ako nga nauna nakagraduate, nauna nakabiling trabaho, pero wala akong mundang. I keep moving forward. Bisan makuri padayon la. Ayaw pahadlok kung mag-fail ka. Every failure may detong always lesson learned. Nandito kita ito nagiging mas matatag ng kinabuhi. Yanak, aadi ako iyo. I stand before you wearing my uniform with pride. Not because ako ang batok haam ng makarit, but because I never give up. And as you prepare to take your next steps, I ask you to pause for a moment. Look behind you. See the people who stood by you through everything. To your parents and families, you are their first teachers, their first supporters, and their greatest source of strength. Your sacrifices, your sleepless nights, your unwavering love, this made this moment possible. Graduates, please stand. Look at your parents and give them the loudest round of applause they truly deserve. You may take your seat. To the teachers, thank you for your patience, your dedication, and your passion for shaping these young minds. You have only taught lesson from books. You have taught lesson for life. And to you, dear graduates, carry with you not just diplomas, but the values this school has instilled in you. Be brave when things get hard, and never ever stop believing in your dream. Class of 2026, this is not the end. It is only the beginning. Go out into the world, dream big, work hard, stay humble, and most importantly, keep moving forward, one step at a time. Congratulations, class of 2026. Chase your dreams and make difference in the world. Damang salamat.